This spray I just made is one of the most unbelievable, simple, inexpensive and very effective for hair growth. It also strengthens the hair, cleans the scalp and also makes your hair grow very healthy. This is hair growth on a budget. If you don't want to spend money to grow out your hair, you should totally make this recipe. What you will need is just one ingredient and a cup of water. Finished. It's simple, right? I thought so. One of the simplest but effective hair growth recipe. This simple recipe has been trusted for generations. If you have been searching for something affordable, something gentle, something natural, and something you can make at home without spending much money, then you should totally stay here and watch till the end. All your hair problem might just be solved with just simple bay leaf water. In this video, I will show you why bay leaf water works based on science and traditional use, how it stimulates growth and thicken your hair, how it will help with dandruff, scalp buildup and itchiness, and how to use it daily or weekly basis. When we think of hair growth, many people just imagine expensive oil, fancy syrup, complicated routine and chemical field treatment. But sometimes the most effective remedies are the simplest. For centuries, plants has been healing, strengthening and transforming long hair before modern hair care even existed. And bay leaf is one of those ancient plants filled with compounds that nourishes the scalp, detoxifies the hair and improves circulation, and it also promotes a healthy hair growth. This remedy is very straightforward. It doesn't require steps. It doesn't require you to blend anything. It doesn't require measuring spoon. It doesn't require spending much money. Just have bay leaf and water. You can either use the fresh bay leaf or the dry bay leaves. I believe this video is self-explanatory, so I'm not going to tell you how to prepare. Just ensure you watch the video to the end. Now let me tell you exactly what bay leaf contains. So bay leaf has anti-inflammatory compound which helps calm irritated scalp, reduce redness and create a healthy environment for your hair to grow. It also contains antioxidants. Those protect the hair follicle from oxidative stress, one of the biggest reasons why your hair weakens and falls off. It also contains natural oil. When you boil bay leaf, it releases this subtle aromatic oil that cleanses, soothes and improves circulation on your scalp. It contains minerals like calcium, magnesium, iron. The minerals in bay leaf strengthen your hair strands. It also helps fight scalp odor, dandruff and buildup naturally. When you boil your bay leaf, all these nutrients infuse into the water, and when you apply the water on your hair, on your scalp, it delivers those nutrients directly to your hair follicle. The reason I always come up with this natural remedy is just to tell you that hair growth doesn't necessarily need to drain your pocket. You don't need to buy those products they are selling $50, $20, $70. You don't need those serums, you don't need those oil, you don't need those shampoo. You need a pocket-friendly product. And the most annoying thing is that those products, some of them, let me not say those, some of them don't work. This remedy costs you absolutely nothing. I am very sure that you already have bay leaf in your kitchen. So trying out this would not cost you anything. And it is readily available. You can buy it in the supermarket, you can buy it in the market, you can buy it in small stores, you can buy it in your local store. Some people even have bay leaf plants in their garden. And one pack of bay leaf can last you for a while. No preservative, no fragrance, no chemical, just nature doing its thing. This will literally improve blood circulation on your scalp. Growth starts from the hair follicle. Better blood flow is equals to more nutrients is equals to stronger hair growth. It also reduces scalp inflammation. Inflammation is one of the biggest cause of hair loss or slow hair growth. It strengthens the hair shaft. The minerals in bay leaf help fortify the hair shafts. It also reduces shedding because your scalp becomes healthier and cleaner. It helps reduce dandruff and buildup. It cleanses your scalp for better hair growth. This might look very simple, but it is indeed very effective and it works wonders. There are 3 ways you can use this. You can use it as a daily spray. Just spray it to your scalp and massage it in. You can also use it as a final rinse after every wash. Pour it slowly on your scalp and on your hair, massage it in, but do not rinse it out. You can also use it as a scalp massaging enhancer. Spray it generously on your scalp. Then massage it for 3 to 5 minutes. This boosts circulation on your scalp and also relaxes your scalp. You can use it 2 to 3 times a week. This remedy is for any hair type. If you're on natural hair, you can use it. If your hair is relaxed, you can also use it. If you're on braids, if you're on locks, if you're on wig or any kind of protective style, be it coily, straight, coil, wavy hair, any kind of hair can use it. It doesn't damage your hair, it doesn't block your hair follicle, it doesn't create buildup, it simply supports the hair growth cycle. Bay leaf water is very gentle, it is less irritating, it doesn't dry out the hair, it doesn't have any overpowering smell, so you can use this for your toddlers. Before I forget, after boiling it, ensure that you let it sit for a few hours before you use it. By 2 weeks of using this, you will notice a very big difference. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned one or two. If you did, please subscribe, like and comment, and also share this video to your loved one. Thank you for watching. Bye.